Today I am reviewing the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is a powerful and sleek machine designed to meet the high demands of gamers and content creators alike. At its core, it features the AMD Ryzen 8700F processor, a robust and efficient CPU that handles modern games and multitasking with ease. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles, streaming your gameplay, or working on creative projects, this processor ensures smooth, reliable performance without any noticeable slowdowns. Complementing this powerful processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, which delivers exceptional visuals and high frame rates for an immersive gaming experience. The RTX 5070 supports the latest graphical technologies, such as ray tracing and DLSS, allowing you to enjoy stunning, lifelike graphics while maintaining smooth gameplay. Memory and storage are also impressive in the MSI Codex Z2. Equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, this system offers plenty of memory to run multiple demanding applications simultaneously. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running productivity software, the generous RAM ensures fast, responsive performance. Storage is handled by a massive 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, providing lightning-fast load times for games and applications, as well as ample space to store your entire game library, multimedia files, and creative work. This combination of speed and capacity means less waiting and more doing, whether you're booting your system or launching your favorite titles. Thermal management is a crucial aspect of any high-performance gaming PC, and MSI has designed the Codex Z2 to stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. The system features an ARGB fan air cooler and 4 system cooling fans, 3 positioned in the front and 1 in the rear, to efficiently pull and cool air and expel heat, keeping your components running at optimal temperatures. This cooling setup ensures that your PC performs consistently without throttling or overheating, extending the lifespan of your hardware. The MSI Codex Z2 doesn't just perform well, it also looks great. With built-in RGB lighting, you can customize your gaming environment by cycling through various lighting options using the MSI LED button. For those who want even more control, the MSI Center software lets you personalize the lighting to match your mood, game theme, or setup aesthetic, creating an immersive and stylish gaming atmosphere. Connectivity options are modern and convenient, including USB Type-C ports for fast data transfer and future-proofing your peripheral setup. The desktop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, giving you access to the latest features and security improvements from Microsoft, optimized for gaming and everyday use. MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business users, but for gaming and personal use, the Home Edition offers everything you need out of the box. Overall, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is a solid, future-ready gaming rig that balances power, style, and reliability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer seeking high frame rates and stunning graphics, a content creator needing fast processing and ample memory, or simply someone who wants a dependable PC that looks as good as it performs, the Codex Z2 checks all the boxes. With its advanced cooling system, powerful AMD and NVIDIA components, and customizable RGB lighting, this gaming desktop is built to deliver an exceptional gaming experience that will last for years to come.